National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County in north central Arkansas, central Baxter County in north central Arkansas, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lakeway, or 10 miles west of Bull Shoals, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mountain Home, Bull Shoals, Yellville, Gasville, Flippin, Lakeview in Baxter County, Norfolk, Salesville, Briarcliff, Piatt, Ozark Regional Airport, Ozark Isle, Lakeway, Bull Shoals State Park, Ship, Clark Hill, Huron, Colfax, Rush, Lion Hill,